So here's another example. So I have equation 1 and 2. What do you want to isolate for? Equation 1 for what letter? You isolate x, that's right. Why did we isolate x? Because that's the one that has a 1 in front of it, right? Every other letter has a number in front of it. Let's say if an example has 2 different letters or 2 different equations that has a 1 in front of it. Can you pick any? So let's say if I give you another equation here instead of the second equation, and the equation says 2x or plus y equals 5. Can you use this one and isolate for y? Would it give you the same answer? Yes, it will. Okay? So you can pick whatever letter you want to isolate for. Okay? Okay, so I want to isolate for x. In equation 1. So what do I do to isolate for that? If I want to leave x by itself, what do I do?
2y.
Bring the negative 2y over, what does it become?
Not positive.
So x equals to 2y plus 2. And we're going to call that equation number 3. Okay? Now what do I do with that equation number 3? I can't sub it into 1 because I've already used 1.
Okay.
So I have to sub it into 2. Okay? Because I've already used the 1, I have to sub this into 2. Okay? So sub equation 3 into 2. So that x right here is going to be replaced with what? 2y plus 2. Yeah? So I'm going to replace that x with 2y plus 2 because I know that x is equal to 2y plus 2. So 5 bracket 2y plus 2 minus 3y equals to negative 11. So I did my second step, which is the substitution. Now I have to solve. Okay? How many letters do you see here? How many different letters do you see? Just one, which is the y. Okay? But there's 2 of them, 2 y's, so I have to collect like terms. So let's do the 5 times 2, so that gives me 10y. And then 5 times 2 plus 10 minus 3y equals to negative 11. Now what do I do? Collect like terms. What are my like terms here? 10 and minus 3y. Minus 3y. So this one and this one. So that gives me 7y plus 10 equals negative 11. Now I want to isolate for that y. I want y by itself. What do I do? Before I divide by 7, I have to bring this one over, right? Bring the 10 over. So if I bring the 10 over, it becomes minus 10. So that's going to be minus 21. Now I divide by 7. So that's going to be y equals negative 3. So I found the y value of my point of intersection. Now I have to find the x value. So what do you think I have to do now? sub what? Sub y equals -3 in for what? Can I sub it into 3? Right? Because if I sub it into 3, I can solve for x. So if I sub it into, so it becomes x equals 2y plus 2. So instead of the y, I'm going to replace that y with -3. Because y is equal to -3. So that's going to be x equals 2 times -3 plus 2, which is -6 plus 2, which is -4. So y equals -3 and x equals -4. Are we okay with that? So basically I found my answer, which is -4, -3. Now my job is to make sure that this is the correct answer. So I have to check. Okay? To check, I'm going to take my first equation and I'm going to plug in x and y to see if that's equal to the right side. I know x equals to -4, and I know that y is equal to -3. So, -4, what's -2 times -3? What's 2 times 3?
Oh, sorry. -6.
So it's +6, because both of them are negative, right?
Yeah.
Now what's -4 plus 6? 2. Left side equal to the right side? Now I'm going to have to do the same thing with the second equation. So what's my second equation? My second equation is 5x minus y equals -11. I plug in -4 for x and -3 for y. Five times -4, that's -20. And -3 times -3 is +9. -20 plus 9, that is actually -11. So as you can see, my left side is equal to the right side. So that confirms that my point of intersection is -4, -3.